Okay, good day everyone. You are welcome to this video tutorial. I am Barak Muhammad. In this video section, we'll be designing a profile flyer as you can see on my Pixellab interface. It's a very simple design. You just need to follow the procedures and protocols in designing it. So yeah, let's get to work. Quickly, I will reduce the size of this one so that it doesn't disturb what I'm designing. This is what we want to replicate though. So the first thing in this design is to bring in a shape. Go to your plus button up there, then press on shape. Once you press on shape, it will pop up like this, and the next thing you need to do is you need to resize it to what you want. Resize it to what you want. Something like this is what I just want in this design. So once you've done that, move it to the right place, you mark it, then you change the color to blue. The blue is here. You change the color to blue. Yeah, the next thing in this design is to bring in the shape where I'll put my image in. Go to your plus button again and press on shape. Once it's popped up like this, you just need to reduce its size a bit. Reduce its size a bit and make sure it looks like this. Then the next thing is go to your radius and give it 30. Go to your radius and give it 30. That's okay. Yeah, the next thing is you need to go to your texture or your shape as in the place where you edit your shape. Just find texture here. Find texture, press on it, and then press on this thing to take it directly to your gallery. Then the next thing you need to do is just find your image where you put it. This is the image I want to use. Once you click on the image, it will give you the cropping section. So then you need to press on 1:1 so that it doesn't disfigure the lookings of the image, and also it will look very great in the looking. So once you've done that, you just need to resize it to where or how you want it to be in this design. So once you've done that, it is on. As you can see, the image is well placed and well fixed in the design. Then the next thing is go to your stroke, allow your stroke and give it color of this something close to black, or you can actually give it black. Let's give it black so that it doesn't go wrong with the design principles. Sorry for that. So yeah, once I've done that, the next thing you need to do is go to your shape. Then once you go to your shape, bring up a shape of something like this. Just make sure you reduce its size very well. And once you've done that, reduce it very well. That's where you put in your name. Then go to your radius and give it radius of 100, full 100. Then once you've done that, go to your stroke and enable your stroke and give it black also. So that's perfect. Then you need to move your image, this one, move it to the right side so that it can be well positioned in the layout. Yeah, the next thing is I want to bring in my name. Just go to your plus button up again, then go to text. It will pop up like this. Then double tap on it. Double tap on the text. Delete this and put in your name. That's my name. Then the next thing is go to A. Just press on your A icon down here, and then you can edit your text. So go to size and reduce its size so that it can fit in very well in the shape. Once it fits in, go to your color and give it black also. Then you can move it very well so that it can be very good and very pleased on the layout. Yes, that's good. That's perfect. Yeah, the next thing I need to do in this design is the about me that is up there. But the one thing you need to understand is that your design must have a balance and a good alignment. So to have that, I want to bring my alignment line. Just go to your shape, bring up a shape of this sort, and make sure you enlarge it like this. Do you see how I did that? Then place it somewhere like this. That's good. You can actually know it by go to your relative position and position it to the center, then to up. Then you can actually position, that is the node. Go to your position again and give it a shift that you can actually know how many plus to put on it. So you can maybe increase the size by moving with 12 and then move it with the numbers, the times that you will know or you will understand. Do you get me? Like, once you've moved this thing to the up, then you can actually know how rate you want to move it down like this by counting it. Go to a little position and place it to the up again, and then count how many times you want to move it to the down. Then let me count like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is too small. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, that's great, because I'll be aligning my image here and the text and my name, everything. I'll be aligning it to the top so that I can make that top and it can fit very well in my design. So yeah, the next thing is that Mubarak Muhammad, we need to copy it. To do that, you just go to your back end here. This is the back end. Once you press it will bring all editing, or it will bring all the things that you are doing in your design. So the next thing I want to do now is that I want to copy Mubarak Muhammad. Press on this, then press on copy right there. Something that looks like duplicating, you get it. So once you do that, it will copy. Then press on it again and press on the pen. You are editing it like that. So you can actually put your about me right here. You can actually put it right there, and then you can edit it how you want it to look like. So once it's there, the next thing I want to do is, you see the background at the back of that about me. Just go to background, enable it, and go right down there and go to radius. Give it radius of 100. Then the next thing is left and right padding. You can actually give it 5.5. You can actually give left and right padding 5.5, and also bottom padding you can give it like 2, only bottom padding. Then lastly, before you move out of that, go to your color and give your background color this. And lastly, before you go out, go to your color on text, then give the color of your text white. This is how I did that. It's very simple. Just follow it. Yeah, the next thing is that I also want to copy that Mubarak Muhammad again so that I can put in my information on it. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I shift this Mubarak. This is my image and my name. I mean these ones. So I want to shift them up a bit. So to do that, I will need to shift my image, the shape and the background, and my name. Sorry, you see that I'm shifting 3 things like that, 3 things at a time. So how do you do that? You just press on your back end, then you pick up on things you want to move. How? See this button down here, press on it, then press on things you want to move. Like this is my image, this is the shape I had my Mubarak Muhammad name on, and this is my Mubarak Muhammad I want to shift. Then once you picked up on that, just press on this thing that looks like pen, using a pencil to touch a screen. Press on it, it will pop up like this, bringing the first thing is rotate the 3. The second thing here is that looks like arrow thing, is like resizing the 3. The third thing here is, oh sorry, I don't want to press on it. So let me do it again. This is the 3. Yeah, the third thing is relative position of the 3. The fourth thing is resizing the 3. the fifth thing is hiding the tree, and lastly locking the tree. So we are going to moving the tree, like moving it a bit. Then you can see you can actually move it up, like it will move the tree. So that's it. Then I also want to move the about me. So let me just quickly move that up a bit too. Let me quickly move that up also. So the about me, I've moved it. Let me change the color of this line itself, so that it can be very visible. It can be very visible. Yeah, the next thing is let me move the about me up a bit too. So the next thing is I want to copy Mubarak Muhammad and input my information. So just copy that and input in your info. So I think I have my information somewhere around this side. I think I have it somewhere on this side. Okay, where is it? Sorry, I actually copied it down here. Let me quickly. Okay, this is it. So it's not this one actually, but I'll need to delete this and input another thing. So like, okay, what else I want to say? I am the founder of Good Africa. Was this? No, I don't want to press on this. It burned into full-time digital marketing and SEO. I am a business consultant at Choice Global Resource. I think that's okay. I look forward to working with you. That's it. I have that done. Then once you bring it in, you just need to resize it to what you want. I mean, how you want it to be in this design. So you just resize it how you want it to be in this design. So once you've done that, the next thing is you've marked that. Let me bring that thing up. This one. Let me bring it up. Don't press it this side and swipe up. We have brought that up. So this is what we are copying. Remember. Yeah. The next thing in this design is the social media icon, the Facebook, the Instagram, and the Twitter thing. So once you go to your gallery, import it. Let me quickly do that. I think the last one I want to do is go to your gallery and not drive. Go to your gallery, then search where you left, you put it, you kept it right. I think this is it. Once you click on it, it will pop up like this, like giving it a square size. So your only duty now is press on this circle thing. You see that circle thing? You just press on it. It will resize it into a circle mode. So you mark on it. So I've done that for all the other things also. I've done it for all the other social media icons. Let me just move them up. So that's it. So the next thing I want to do now is to resize them. So I'm giving them a size of width to 4 and height to 4. So just reduce its size and check your relative position. Just press on the shape, this thing at the middle. Check your relative position and make sure it is 4 to 4. The width is 4 and the height is 4 also. Check and know that. Make sure it is 4 to 4. Yes, this one also, and this one also. You see, this one is 5 to 5. Just put it and make sure it is 4 to 4. Then lastly, I want to centralize them. Just go to your relative position and centralize the text. How do you do that in a very fast mode? Just press on your Facebook, it has brought up here, just centralize. Press on your LinkedIn, it has brought up here, centralize. this one doesn't centralize well. And lastly, on my Instagram, press here and centralize. So there's also one thing I want to do here before we proceed. You see that white border at the round of those things. I want to bring them in. So how do you do that? The first way you can actually do that is by giving it stroke. Do you get me? Is by giving it stroke. So stroke is also very great in doing that there. So once you go to give your Facebook stroke, go to your LinkedIn also, give it stroke. And thirdly, go to your Instagram, give it stroke, and go to your Twitter and give it stroke also. That's the first thing. So yeah, the next thing is I want to move them. I want to move, like you see now, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. They are on the same position, and I want to move them to this side. Like I want to move them beside each other. So I will probably move Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn at the same time. Just press on your backend button, press down here again, then pick up what you want to move, then press on this and press on move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. I've moved to, let me move Instagram and Twitter now. Press on it again, press on move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, Twitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you get it like that? Once you've done that, the next thing is you need to move them downward. So where it should be. So press on this and press on this button again. You see I haven't selected anything. Select the 4, then press on this and select your move button. So you can actually move them downward and place it where you want it to be in the design. Place it where you want it to be in this design. So how to do that? Just make sure you nudge them very well. Make sure you nudge them very well and move it where you want it to be in this design. So let me quickly move that very well. So I've done that. The next thing is go to your umbrella consumer again, copy it. Once you copy it, bring it downward here and reduce the size a bit to actually give it a 2 with this, and also change the color to white. Change the color to white. So once you've done that, the next thing is the little designing things I put them there. Just go to your shape, go to your plus button and bring in a shape, or you can actually press it down there very fast. Then reduce the shape to something like this, give the radius of 100 and mark it up. So you can just move it downward a bit, around here. So once you've done that, then change the color to the color you are using before. Maybe you are using blue, maybe you are using black, then change it to that color. Then the next thing in this design is to bring in the background I used. So just go to your gallery and import the background. I already have it here. Let me just put it up so that you can see. Yeah, you can see that's the background. So you need to increase its size, and you go to your relative position, centralize it, and take it to the back. That's just it. Then also you need to bring in another shape. That's the white shape. Just increase its size also, centralize it to the center. Go to your relative position, centralize to the center, and also take to the back. Once you take it to the back, you can't see it anymore, right? Then go to your back end here and move that background, the one you are seeing now, this one you are seeing, move it to the back and bring the white thing up. So you can't see that again. Then press on your white shape that you just brought in and reduce it to opacity to 90 or to 85. I think 80. Okay. Actually, you can read on my opacity now. Let me give it 70 and see. 70 is not working out, so let me give it 60 and see. I I think 60 is okay. 60 is okay. 60 is okay. 60 should be okay for this design since you don't want it to show very well. So 60 is okay. So you can actually read 60 on your own too. Yeah, the next thing is let me just place my design very well. So let me move some things up. Like this about me, and this. Let me move it up a bit. Yes, that's it. Yeah, the next thing in this design, I think we are through with it. We are through with it. So just that you can actually, let me reduce the size of this text a bit. It's too bold. It's too. Yes, we've done that. So delete that your borderline up there. So we've done that. We've copied the design. We've copied it. So just put in your image and put in your info. So we've done that. We've copied that. So yeah, delete this. Let me take it to the top and delete it to front, and let me delete it. Let me hide it so that it doesn't show. So you see we've copied that very well. We've copied that very well. So once you've done that, the next thing is press on the button up here, then press as save as project. Then you can actually put profile flyer design. Okay, you are saving that project because you can re-edit it later. Then lastly, you save as image. So once it brings up like this, go to your dimension and press the button down here, save as ultra always, then save to gallery, save as ultra always, save as ultra always. So image save. So once you save the image like this, you can actually see it on your Pixellab info on gallery. So let me show you where it is on my gallery now. So this is it. This is what we just did right now. This is it. You can actually see it now. So this is it. You see, this is my gallery, and I've shown you how it looks up in your gallery. So yeah, see you in the next